Duder.
Hey guys, good morning. Oh, we're fogging up. We're up and at 'em. It is 6:55. We're doing good. We're great on time.
Yep.
Yeah. I thought I had a small brains moment last night, but Karen Howard saved the day and grabbed my rain jacket. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're
Thank you.
welcome.
Yes.
That's what Mama does.
Mom always has big brains going on. Big brains. So anyway, we are headed to Extra Magic Hours at G Animal Kingdom. God, what's this? Where hopefully we can walk pretty fast on the Flight of Passage and then use our Fast Pass later. So, because we love that ride. We absolutely love that ride. We love that ride. We love this week. We love our hotel. When we love each other. We love each other. All about the love. Good morning, Animal Kingdom. Ooh. Oh. Gosh, I almost lost you guys.
I know.
But I'm here.
We're here.
We're just waiting for the lines to open. Here's where we're at in line. Not bad. Proud of us. I'm very. Oh.
Fast feet today.
Yeah, we got hot feet. Hot feet. We are ready to go to Pandora and fly on the back of our Banshee. We are in.
Fast feet. All right.
Yep. It is. Yeah, no stampeding.
Happy birthday.
7:30 and we are on the flight to get to Pandora as quickly as possible.
Fast feet.
Fast feet, hot feet, Brene, hot feet. Come on, Nay. Brene is flying through the crowds. We got a wild Brene on the loose. She's using her Black Friday shopping moves. Get it, Nay, get it. Near. We're going. Get it, Nay, get it, Nay, get it. Come on, Nay. We don't have time to stop and admire the Tree of Life because we are on a mission. But there it is. First time seeing it. Karen's back there. She can't keep up with us shoppers. We get our hips moving and we are flying through the crowd. Yes, we're gonna be there in no time. Come on, Nay. Let's get through it. Come on. Here we go. Oh, I need a. Ooh, Care Bear made it up to us. So proud of her. And there's the floating rocks, because we are in Pandora. Oh, Karen is not slowing down. She's got hot feet. What?
Family beat us.
Oh, it's even more beautiful than I remember. Yeah. Oh, we are just so excited for Flight of Passage, aren't we, Care Bear?
Love this ride.
We love this ride, Nay.
I love that.
Yeah. We're just a little tired right now because we walked all the way from the front to Pandora in 3 minutes. Our calves were burning.
My calves were on.
Yeah, but we worked up some room for lunch later already, so. We're gonna beat our exercise goal from yesterday for sure. For sure. Oh, Mama needs a snack though. We can use a snack because we're already behind. We've only used one snack our whole entire trip, except for Brene. She used 2. Glutton. Yeah. But as you can tell, my throat is a little rocky, yeah. But it's alrighty. It's okay. We're gonna lose it by the end of the day.
Yay, that's okay. We're gonna use it. I might lose it anyway.
just like that, we explored the world of Pandora. Woo! We flew on our Banshee, and it was lovely. We rode the river, and it was lovely. Just absolutely magnificent.
Too early for the little baldwin.
Oh yeah, Mom wants her alcohol, but it's a little too early. So we're just gonna get her a different drink, a little snack for her. A little snacky for Karen's Tum Tum. And then we're just gonna continue enjoying Extra Magic Hours. We have about 20 more minutes left of Extra Magic Hours. And then the park opens, but then we have our fall spots that we can use.
Don't you worry. I know what to do.
And we're just gonna have an absolutely lovely day.
Lovely day.
Yeah, it's already a great weather-wise. Hopefully it doesn't rain. But if it does, we'll just roll with the punchers.
No, you gotta roll with it.
Roll up. Oh yeah. Get the chocolate donut, ladies. Get your morning judge. They needed some energy to get through the day. Hot eats, hot eats. So there, Joffrey's Hot Eats. How is it?
Big good donut.
Good donut? It's a good donut. I don't like donuts. And I'm not very hungry right now.
I was hungry.
Mom and Nay were hungry though, and that's okay. We've been up for about 2 hours now. 2.5 hours actually. So, the donut is well deserved. After our long travels, our shopping, speed walking, and everything else we've done, it was well deserved. Newsflash, Brene's not a server. She can't give us 3 waters.
Daddy, hold on.
This water is nice on my vocal cords. Oh, just what the doctor ordered.
Just what I needed. Nice glass of water.
Never forget to drink water. Oh, that's what we're having for lunch. Yakin yada. Yakin yada buddy. We're gonna get fatty at the Yakin Yeti. But we are just gonna go enjoy a little bit more time in Pandora. Use our fast pass to Flight of Passage. And then eat up, because I'm starving. Are you hungry?
No, I ate a donut.
Yeah, we had a big donut.
But I'm sure I'll be hungry.
I say, are you sure?
donut
That was like
size
2
of
hours
our
ago. You're not hungry yet?
No.
Shocking.
She will be.
If you get the shot, so get your phones and cameras up. Slow motion and video mode makes a really cool photo. And take a picture of these birds because they won't be here too much longer, I don't think. And especially get a picture of these blue-throated macaws. There's one right over here by Robert. That is Degas, the rarest macaw found in the wild. All right, you guys. Now the best part of your morning is coming up in moments. Get your phones and cameras up. We will be back here in about an hour if you want to hang out with us again. But for now, let's check this out when these birds fly.